Hello, welcome to this class on how to set up Eclipse on Windows. So today we are going to go through how to set up Eclipse IDE on Windows. Remember, Eclipse IDE is the most important or most common IDE you use to build Java apps for Windows. So let's go ahead to download Eclipse and set it up and start building Java application. Remember to click on the subscribe button, subscribe to the channel so that you get notified when I make video lessons on how to perform stuffs and other tutorials. Alright, let's go and download Eclipse. So the first thing you are going to do, step one, is to just go to www.eclipse.org. This is a website where you have Eclipse. Sorry, I think I got it wrong. Alright, so you type Eclipse IDE, Eclipse IDE. So it takes you to, let's get to the website. So now we have different versions of Eclipse and also Eclipse for different platforms. So you can just go ahead to click on download. It takes you to the downloads page. At the time of this video, the latest version of Eclipse is Eclipse Oxygen, so that is the one I recommend you download. Don't download this one, just download this one. Click on the download button and it takes you to this page and you go ahead to download it. If you are running on Windows 32-bit, then you click on download packages and it takes you to where you see you can make a selection of either 32 or 64-bit. Alright, so if you've downloaded it, then you can go ahead to install it. For me, it downloaded to see, this is how it is: Eclipse Inst Windows 64. So go ahead to double click on it, it begins to install. You can just click on run. So it takes a couple of minutes for it to completely install. Alright, by now it's have installed completely. The reason is because I already installed it before this time. So I'm going to abort this installation and then we open Eclipse and start building our first app. Alright, so if you go to programs, just go ahead to click on type Eclipse. So you can see Eclipse Oxygen, as you can see. So let's open it and close this. So Eclipse Oxygen. So if it opens, then we can start writing the program. Another thing you need to build or define is the folder that is going to contain your apps. Very, very important, because you need to create a folder that will contain all your apps. This folder is called workspace. So you actually define your workspace, because you might be using other applications, for instance Microsoft Visual Studio or NetBeans. So you need to create workspace for each of them. So in my own case, I already have created a workspace. A workspace is simply a folder that contains your files. So this is how it opens up. So let's go ahead to click on File, New. So you can always start building a project. Alright, so for now, if you've gotten this correctly, then we can move to the next part. Thank you for viewing, and remember to click on the subscribe button so that you get notifications when I make new lessons.